Froze on. Let's go. Whoa.
Hit 'em up,
Whoa,
Dazo.
whoa, 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 whoa. I scared to kill you. I ain't got no heart.
It's your boy Ken. I'm back again, another video. You know what it is, you know what it ain't. Before I get to this video, make sure y'all like, comment, subscribe, hit that post notification so we notified when I post. We notify I post. Right now, I'm at the special oil change, getting an oil change because I mean special oil. Yeah, I need an oil change like bad. Cause I'm going back and forth to the car shows, you know. Hey, get an oil change, y'all. Bad, like really bad. I need an oil change ASAP. Like, it was so bad I had to put oil in my car yesterday. I ain't trying to mess no motor up, no nothing. But yeah, we're getting the oil change. You know, like I said, I need y'all like, comment, and subscribe. Hit that post notification so you be notified when I post. Cause we're going up all the rest of 2021 and 2022. Yeah. I need an oil change, like, I need Shop Rocky, like, for real. Like, dead serious, I need an oil change very bad, you know. I ain't ate birthday, but I'm just, I like candy, I like sweets. Yeah. Well, you know, I'm getting this oil change. I'm gonna give y'all a little video today. Later on, watch that video. Before I go to work, right now it's 11:09. So, yeah. Yeah, get you right. They get you right. You know what I'm saying? They get you right, y'all. Cause I need it. No oil change. For real. Now I need to wash. Get my baby been dirty for how long? She been dirty for about, I say about good 2 or 3 weeks. She been dirty. Cooking. Windows right now, cleaning front windshield. Yeah, she been dirty for a while. I really needed to wash. And I really need an oil change more than anything. I ain't know until my life started coming on, y'all. But yeah. It hot out here. Y'all see the merch. Y'all see the merch. The merch hasn't dropped yet, but it's coming. Just stay tuned, it's coming, y'all. Let me see, can I pull up the other one? My other phone. Let's see, can I get it real quick? Yeah, but stay tuned for the merch. The merch will be dropping. I don't sound on this phone, but yeah, it will be dropping very soon.
You know your oil dipstick that hell okay.
Somebody broke it off. The last time they did it, they checked and it broke in there. So I gotta get a new one. Or I had a screwdriver in there.
Yeah.
So I had to get it like pull it out, but I gotta get another dipstick to try to get it out.
Okay. Well, you know, they break all the time.
Yeah.
Yeah. Prices had an issue with those. You know, like, I mean, you can even pull, you just, like especially when it be hot, that's when it breaks.
Yeah.
Pull straight up on it, and then I swear to God, every time it breaks.
Yeah, that's what it did. Soon he tried to pull it out, it broke, but he got it out, and then he got it out. I'm like, dang, I had to put the screwdriver, but the screwdriver, it wasn't sticking in no more.
Yeah, that's sometimes the screwdriver kind of helps out a little bit.
Mm-hmm. Yeah. I gotta get a new dipstick, y'all. That dipstick got stuck in my oil thing. Like the oil dipstick, it got stuck. Man, it's hot out here, y'all, for real. It's real hot. So hot, yeah. We getting right in the oil now. Getting a good oil change. I should be good. I'm about to be running like I'm supposed to be running again. You know, I need an oil change. My air working. I had to get a lot of fixing this month, you know. I think my air was stuck. Like my air was stuck in my my two right vents on the passenger side. It was stuck, so I had to get something else like to kind of you know, get it unstuck, but now it's blowing like straight fine. Over 10, I say it's blowing, boy. It be in here, freezing cold. But yeah, weird special oil change. You know, I had to get, you know what I'm saying? Everybody looking at it. Yeah, looking at it. I know they be all
Oh,
over.
right. You can go ahead and start it on there. It's that oil pumping up to the top.
Huh?
I said, that's that oil pumping up to the top. It does that when it
Out Illinois?
Yeah, it's spreading all the oil. Yeah, you know what the oil pump pumps it up to the top. Some cars do that, some cars don't. But they all do it, you just don't hear all of it.
But yeah, hold on, y'all. I gotta do. Hold in reverse.
Alright, that's good. Put it in the car. Bump the horn a little bit. Alright, cut it off.
Yeah.
Say you can put it on the one.
But yeah, everything good. Let me get back out y'all a minute and when I see how much I gotta pay for this. Hey, Count Squad, I'm back. You know, like I said, what I said. I'm gonna give y'all a little watch video. It ain't raining today, but I'm back with a little watch video. What's the baby? Clean, nice and clean today. You know, she been dirty, y'all. She been real dirty. A little spot free real quick, you know. She been real dirty, y'all. Like real dirty. So I needed to watch that video. Get the wheels clean real quick, you know, you feel me? Real clean. A little spot free. You know, kind of dirty. You got to get it real clean, you know? Dirty shit one more time, you know? We're gonna hit that high rinse. Get that high rinse on y'all. Hold on. Trying to push the camera with my other hand. I really just gonna rinse it off, y'all. Right about now. Yeah, it's gonna cut off. Like this thing, I need another one. I need to put some more quarters in or go to one that got like a car machine because this one just cut off on me. So I need to go to another one, y'all. Hold on. Let me find another one. She wet, but I want to get her really clean. So I need to find another one with a car machine. Hold on, I'm gonna go to another one with a car machine, y'all. I'll get back with y'all in a minute. I moved to a different one because that one, it was going too fast and I couldn't do what I need to do. So I'm in a different one. Finna get her back clean. So she gonna be shining. Which one do I want? We can do the basic wash real quick. Carpool. Yes, sir. Get it washed. Nah, I need soap. Soap. Like, look, hold on. Yeah, y'all can see. Yes, sir. With soap. Like, hold on. We really need the foam brush, y'all. We really need the foam brush because she dirty. I say she dirty. She dirty. Like, she real dirty. Get my baby nice and clean for y'all. Hey, gang. Get it nice and clean for y'all. Oh, damn soap splash there, but I was not trying to get dirty today. Not trying to get dirty today, y'all. Trying to get good angles for y'all. Hold on. Really, get some good angles. She is dirty. Hold on, y'all. Look how the thing is shooting this, bro. Like it's not playing, like you need to shoot soap out everywhere. So I'm really gonna just do this, like just throw soap everywhere. He's really throwing soap everywhere, y'all. Like, look at this shit. Like, he's just throwing soap everywhere. Yup. It's like bubblegum for real. Yeah. Okay. She really needs that wife though. But yeah, I needed to wash her real good. Get her nice and clean, you guys. Hold on. I ain't got nobody to hold the camera for me, but I'm telling you. Nobody to hold the camera for me, so I'm just gonna let her just spray real quick. Hold on. I told y'all, bro. Hey, look. Shit, the struggle. We trying to watch it by yourself. Struggle. We trying to watch it yourself. Alright, this is done. Alright, leave this shit no more. Hold on. Bruh. It's soap everywhere, y'all. Hold on. It's soap everywhere. I say soap everywhere. Bruh. Everywhere. Soap everywhere, y'all. Look. She's gonna be clean. No. She's gonna be wet. Wet. Yes, sir. Get it nice and clean. Give her a nice little bath. Hey, my baby a bath, y'all. My baby a bath. Yes, sir. Maybe 21 guys. Oh, it's soap everywhere, bro. She good. I'm finna get her ready. Just dry it off real quick, you know. Get my baby back right. Because she was looking kind of dusty for a couple days. I say kind of dusty. She was looking kind of dusty, y'all. We gotta get her right, though. Get her back right. I need a shimmy. But this gonna have to work for today. Look, rings. Wigs look shiny. 300. 300. Yes, sirree. I was gonna let them air dried up, but I thought about it and I was like, nah. Cause I really don't feel like doing all this, y'all. But with my baby, so I gotta get her clean. Get her real clean, you know what you feel me? I need a cameraman. I need like a better camera thing to hold my phone up, you feel me? Like we're gonna get her really washed up, really clean, y'all. She was dirty. I said she was dirty. Look at that. Like she was dirty. It's so everywhere. Still splashing. I'm still stepping in soap and crap. But this hood though. The hood. Yeah. Real cleaned up. Real nice and shiny. Nice and shiny, y'all. When I get home, you throw that car cover on her. Throw that car cover on her. So she won't get back dirty. That's what you do. When you want your car to get dirty, throw that car cover on her. I'm gonna tell you what I really need, y'all. That's a ceramic coating. I need a ceramic coating. But yeah. I'm gonna get back up with y'all when I get done. Y'all go walk through, you know, how she look. I see y'all when I get done. She back clean. She back clean, y'all. She ain't dirty no more. She back clean. Still soap on the ground. Oh shit, what the fuck? How is it? Hold on. But yeah, she back clean. She is wet. She is back clean and done. Yeah, sir. She back clean, dog. I still got soap right there. I'm still gotta get that shit. But yeah, she is back clean. Like everybody getting washed up today. You know what I'm saying? Everybody getting washed up. That need soap off there. It's still like soap. I still see some soap in my corner. But yeah, come on, baby. Yes. Yeah. She is ready to ride today. But your boy gotta go to work. I think I had to clean that right there, ain't I? That look still look dirty. Get that. Get that ooh. I didn't get my lights clean. But yeah, other than that, she is clean. I'm about to ride out.
Frozen. Let's go.